Trader Joe's grocery shopping. Wow, this is so pretty. Smell amazing. This is really beautiful. Avocado. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I need the bread. Sour cream. Regina. Kombucha. Oh my, this is so beautiful. Hi guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. And today I went shopping to Trader Joe's and I got some healthy groceries. So I want to share this with you. So I'm gonna start with baby spinach. Pretty good size and it's pretty decent price. Tomato, cucumbers, carrots, half and half. I like this half and half a lot. Got this, buy this or organic one. They have organic as well. And I always buy half and half instead of heavy whipping cream. I don't like to use heavy whipping cream. It's not that healthy. So I buy these apples almost all the time. I like it a lot. It's like pretty decent price and it's small apples. Look how small they are. Perfect. Next we got organic milk. Butter. Then I have this peach smoothie. So yummy. I love them so much. They have like individual packages. Just like that. Perfect. My kids love this a lot. They have also strawberry, raspberry, and this is peach. Parm cheese. I buy this one or the other brand. Today I got this one. I make Olive Garden zuppa toscana with this. Mushroom. I'm gonna make a polenta with mushroom. So it's like polenta, spinach, parm cheese. It's really tasty. So I can make a video recipe for you. I got this breast tenders. I'm gonna make chicken fingers again. Yes, my family like it a lot, and I make them in advance and then just leave them in the refrigerator, and then when I make salad I can put on top of salad. It's so delicious. The other chicken, eggs, avocado. Oh my goodness, my fave.
My house never stay without avocado. Never.
Bread. I make amazing sandwiches with this bread. Cheese, roast beef. I saw they bring this coffee, so I want to give this a try because I am drinking coffee every morning and smell delicious. So I let you know if I like it. Bread, oranges. I love these oranges so much. They're so sweet actually. This is organic. They have non-organic and red potato. This kind of cabbage I just brought to Trader Joe's. Sea salt, this is my favorite. I bought this sea salt for 8 years. Again, I got this. I have to have this. I bought this Orangina. I love this drink a lot. Then we got sour cream. And this kombucha. I like this brand and Clear Mind, one of my favorites. I need red onion in house. Jalapeno, got red bell pepper, cilantro, Ginger. I found these lemons, and it's organic lemons, and it's pretty good amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 lemons. I believe I pay about $2 or $2.50. I'm not sure. So like around $2. We need breadcrumbs. So that is garlic, Roman lettuce, corn. I like this. This is like with Mexican roasted corn with cotija cheese. I believe I pronounce it right. Cotija cheese, and it's so good. All you do is just warm up at in a pan, and they have everything, cheese inside and everything. So this is good. I like this. So I just got mineral water for myself, organic corn flakes, cereal. This drink is amazing. I like to drink this one, so I got this drink. Crackers, smoked cheese. You can find this in any store. Smoked salmon dip, banana. Also, I got this roasted and salted peanut, and I leave them in a freezer, and they are so good. Got salami for a platter, and we got these drinks. Amazing. Toothpaste. They even have a toothpaste. Yeast. I really love this in every meal. I put this even in soup. Soup, salad, polenta, cereal, like hot cereal. I mean, not sweet. Hot cereal. I must have this on top. Oh, I got a little olive oil because I'm running out. I need to go Costco and get the bigger ones. And we got honey. Same with honey. I usually buy at Costco, but when I go to Trader Joe's and I need in the house, so I get this. Okay. That is it, you guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. What a pot. As you see, it's a mess right now, and I'm gonna unpack. Look at this mess. Oh my goodness. When you shoot a video, you actually don't even realize how much mess you make. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't do that yet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.